Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed repair tutorial for the Thermomix TM31. Today, we will focus on three main components: the blade, the plate, and the panel. Let's start with the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some cleaning materials such as a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. First, let's address the blade. Begin by unplugging the device for safety. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the mixing bowl. Once these screws are out, gently lift the mixing bowl to access the blade assembly. If you notice any rust or debris on the blade, use the microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean it thoroughly. If you find that the blade is damaged, you might need a replacement. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Our team can assist you with a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right solution for your Thermomix. Next, we'll move on to the plate. This part can sometimes accumulate residue, affecting the performance of your device. To remove the plate, look for the locking mechanism at the bottom. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Once removed, clean it with warm soapy water and a soft sponge. For deeper cleaning, you can soak it in a mixture of vinegar and water. After cleaning, reassemble the plate by aligning it carefully and securing the locking mechanism. Now, let's check the panel. If your Thermomix isn't responding properly, it might be due to a faulty panel connection. Carefully unscrew the panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Once you've removed the panel, check for any loose wires or connections. If you see any issues, you may need to resolder the connections or replace the panel entirely. Again, if this seems daunting, remember that we provide quotes before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. After ensuring all components are clean and reassembled, plug in your Thermomix and test it to make sure everything is functioning correctly. If you still experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We ensure no calls or travel are necessary, simply contact us, and we will handle the rest. In summary, repairing your Thermomix TM31 can be straightforward if you have the right tools and knowledge. Don't forget to perform regular maintenance to keep your appliance in top shape. Whether you choose to do it yourself or prefer professional help, we are here to assist you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.